Zeus and Hades. Zeus with their... hindi ko napapalit. Hindi namin napapalit. Laki Dimac. Dimac. To Anthony. Anthony. Oh! This guy is still hot! This guy is on a heater! On a microwave! Kusira. Ito siya. He cannot be stopped, mga kaibigan. Grabe na ito. Itanong natin kung ano ang pre-game meal ni Sir Anthony. Mamaya. Hindi lang sa akin yan, feeling ko. For 3 seconds to shoot. Sorry po, yung trabaho ko. Hindi ko na naman nagampanan. Anthony, with the rebound. Paki-reset yung shot clock, please. Thank you. Mac? 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 Yung oras, hindi gumagalaw? Yun, gumalaw na. Anthony? Repeat performance? Ayun. He's still human. Medyo malakas, pero kaya ni Brian. Kaya ni Brian. To Deo with a pass fake. Deo against 4. To Jeff. Walking the dog. Binigay kay Brian. Kay BK. To the other Brian. Wala. Rebound. Roel. As if naman. To Dimac. Mac directing traffic. Ganda nung third pass. Kaso lang na-anticipate ni Admin Jeff. BK, pumapwesto. BK, pinapasa kay Bry, galing kay Deo yan. Bry, solo with outside. Malinis na block kay Miguel Manuel. Ayan na. Deo goes middle, Obix, open 3, bang! Assist, Deo. 3-point shot. Obix, atin sa inyo ng smart. Hoy, huwag ka manood. Sa'yo yung oras. Roel. Anthony, 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 6. Tinira na ni Edison. Wala. Dimac with the offensive rebound. 14 lang po kami set. Dimac, 1 goes for 3. Dimac, a rare 3. With the crowd for good measure. 5-3. A rare 3. Oy! Napamura na lang siya. Yari.
Kulang yung inuman ng
Edison, Anthony, binigay kay Dimac. Mac with a quick release. Oy! Napalakas. BK with the rebound. Passes to Obix. Side step, free throw shot. It's good. Assist by BK yun. Sabi, step back. Ako na yun, matigas na yung likod ko nun. Step back na. Anthony, iniwan na naman libre si Sir. Oops. He's still human, mga kaibigan. Pinitis din pala siya. Jeff. Pumuwersa. Bang. Hindi ko alam. Para. 10 seconds to shoot. Obix. To Deo to Bry with a hand in his face. Dimac with the rebound. Uncontested defensive rebound. Mac to Anthony. Antonio to Edisonio. Ako ba? Up. Good yan. 10 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5, up. Ano ang tawag? Walang reset yan. Tapik. 4 seconds to shoot. Wala. O yan. Edison, block by Jeff. To BK, outlet pa sagad. Obix. Sinausaw pa. Brian, offensive rebound. Ako, pinapos. Bola ng Hades. 24. Hindi ba na o? Dapat tapik. Alam ko tapik. Anyway. May laro. 10 seconds to shoot. Jeff goes for the 3-point. Shot is good. Malinis pa. For good measure, mga kaibigan. 8-5 lamang. Edison. Yung isa pang Garcia. Manuel, middle. With the jelly. Up. Iderata. Kayo nga yata. Kayo. Sure sila kasi nakadalawang games na yata silang.
Kabila, kabila.
10 seconds to shoot. Tayo, with a look away 3. Oy, PK, right place at the right time. Offensive rebound and score.
Ayan na, harap. Kaya, kaya. Kaya.
Naka-Ed.
Na!
Anthony. Expanding his range. Then 8. 8 points, kanya lahat? Kanya lahat? Hindi no. May kahati yata siya. Sige, back pala. 10 seconds to shoot. Bry. DJ. Obit. Oh! Woohoo! What a game! Umuulan ng tres, mga kaibigan. 13-8. Oy. Raynor Shine, Elastopaters. Orwell with the floater to the heavens. Wala. Rebound. Stairwell ulit. Expanding his range. Wala. PK na yan. Sure ball. Sa rebound. Binigay kay Brian. Brian. Subtle step. Brian. May mga heckler tayo dun sa baseline. Celebrity row pa na yan, oh. Celebrity row, yan si Oog. Nandun daw. Wala sa Senado ngayon. Eto na. Obich to BK. BK pinasa pa. Is that a good pass? Ayun. Uy! Natapikan, pero malinis. Edison to Anthony. Anthony. Fakes the 3. Goes for the 2. Uy! Kinapyos. Ayun, ako ni Jeff. Jeff will be credited for that rebound. Deo, not being in traffic from the right side. Deo, pinona daw on the pass. Foul on the pass. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Jeff, 10 seconds to shoot para sa Haley. Deo to BK. BK. Oh! Reaching. Blocking o ano, kung ano man. Ayaw mag-referee. Announcer lang. Wala. Wala. Tahimik ako. 10 seconds to shoot. Obich. Look away pass. Balik kay Obich. 4 seconds to shoot. 3. 2. Naku, huli ni Edson. Yun lang. Contract violation tayo kasi walang definite change of possession. Ang strategy din. Medyo na. Okay. Mahirap din tayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Manuel tries the 3. Bang! Assist by Edison. Lakas talaga ng Manuel. Binigyan kami ng panalo. Ha? Back-to-back games na. Iba talaga pag fresh legs. 10 seconds to shoot. Young legs pala, young legs. Hindi na fresh. Oy! Ano nangyari sa inyo? Check ball daw, check ball yan. Again, nanonood lang po kami. Ayun, naglalaro. Malinaw yung trabaho. Malinaw yung boundaries. Kasi ayan, titira talaga yan. Bang! Another pass! Another shot! Is good. Back-to-back by Miguel Manuel. Atin sa inyo ng TM, ng Talk and Text. Todo tawag, 15-15. Seven seconds to shoot. 6, 5. Grabe yung dribbling. 3, 2, 1. Sakto. Assist by Brian Wembanyama. Manuel. Nakakagod oh. Aba naman, Manuel cannot be stopped. Manuel. Showing all facets of his game. Ano next game natin, Paul? Announce ko na lang din. Team Aries versus... Anong team na, Chris? Yun lang. Balik tayo dito. Mamaya na yung announcement. 5 minutes to go. Wala na rin. Turnover. Deo to Jeff. Jeff, again, another 3. Off the glass, no good. Rebound by Lima. Lima. Mac to Edison. Wow, shot by Edison. Assist by the point guard. D-Mac. 8-5. Deo will try a 3. He gets the bounce back. Hindi para kay Landry Shamet lang yun. Yung game 1. Wala. So, grabe yung activate talaga. Yung mga nakakalimig. By the way, nagkakagulo na po sa New York City. They reached the finals since 1990. Or hindi papahuli si Sir Anthony. He is still in the ball game. Boris remaining. Well, to shoot. Deo again. I-check. Medyo ano, yung pagkakainit sa microwave saglit lang. 30 seconds. Nag-cool down na. Lumamig agad yung pagkain. Na Emmanuel. 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5. Wala pa. Wala pa. By DK. Ha? Foul tayo. Balik. Tandaan lahat po ng review. Bukas pa. Ha? Wala tayong instant replay. Huwag kayong mangarap. Hindi pa tayo NBA levels. Sa ano kukunin yung replay? Sa Tuwas. Galing Tuwas Island. 7 seconds to shoot. Ayan na. Another pass by Edison. Tama talaga naman yung connection na yan na. Grabe na siya. 23-18. Assist ni Edison. Edison piling up the assists. Dropping dimes. 23-18. Deo, 10 seconds, 8 seconds to shoot. BK, tumibot sa gitna. Bibihira na lang ang mga ganong galakan. Jeff, free throw shot. Wala. Rebound ni Ruel. Napunta kay Brian. Reset sa 20 Castro. Brian will try the 3. Grabe talaga itong larong to. It's raining trees. Hallelujah. It's raining trees. Kahit sino na, nahaluan na ng swerte ng Knicks. Malapit na mag-last 2 minutes ang ganda ng pasa ni Edison. Kaya lang, D-Mac. Naharangan kasi ni BK doon. Ganda ng rotation sa defense last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng JBL. Brian will try again. Tapos. Rebound, ako ni D-Mac. Mac, defense na running play. Mac goes all the way. Up. Sumabit. Stop time. Shot clock nyo ay 13 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. 1 minute, 35 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Foul down. At dahil foul, na-reset sa 14 seconds. Op. Nagana may dispute pa, may dispute. Okay. Oras. Ruel. Nakay Deo, nice defense by Deo. To Manuel. 7 seconds to shoot. 6, 5, 4, Manuel. DK. Naku, offensive rebound. Nakuha ng... Gagamit sila ng oras. Yes, tama naman talaga yun. Di ba, layo pa yan. Huwag ka muna 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Diba? Hamburg. Roel with the 2 points. Assist by Dimac. 4-point lead lang yan. 4-point lead. Nakakay Jeff. Jeff pa rin. Jeff pa rin. Jeff to Pili. Okay? This is still not over. This is still not over. This game is not yet over. 9 seconds difference between the game clock and shot clock.
Pasa lang, pasa lang, pasa lang.
10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 8 seconds to go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a good look, but he didn't make the shot. Ganda ng laro na yan. Nanalo ang team,